Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today I thought we would start Alpine Village that I got from GBFkE the other day. And we're going to be starting right up here in these trees. And the color is 934. Whoop, let me put that over here with the rest of it so it doesn't get separated. And I got my little teddy bear because, you know, we need a teddy bear, right? Oh my goodness. Well, yesterday was kind of quiet. I stayed home. I didn't go anywhere. And I am feeling much better than I did on Friday. I almost said Saturday. The day before, so yeah. Seems to have gone away. I don't know if I just overworked it too much, too fast. Beats the heck out of me. Didn't seem like I was going real fast. Oh, and before I forget, this is kind of a dark green, if you will. It's kind of showing up kind of blackish color, isn't it? Yeah, so I did the ice and the heating pad thing again and just relaxed. I sat in my rocking chair for a while and I worked on my silk dragon for a bit. And I worked on, what is it called? Watertown Memory. The great big huge town scene, if you will. Didn't make too much progress either place, but you know, it kept my brain occupied for a while. And those are the only two things that I worked on. Gosh, I can't believe it's Sunday already. It just, in some parts, it feels like it kind of drug on, and other parts, it went way faster than I thought it would. And then there's the time change. So, yeah. That's always fun. I didn't sleep in too late or anything like that. So, as you would have expected, I don't know. It'll get there. It takes me a hot moment. And I'm working on this sideways, so the picture is laying like this. So we're just right up in that top corner there. Before I forget to mention that. Whoops. Oh, I needed to be there, you silly girl. That's what happens, you stitch and talk. Some days, I can't even walk and chew gum. Please. And then others, I have to remember how sideways or upside down I have it so that I know which direction that all the stitches should be in. Yeah. It's a nice lightweight canvas, which I'm thrilled about. It's easy to stitch on, and the symbols seem to be quite bright in this corner, so that's kind of why I started. Not that the other side's any worse, I just caught this first, so yeah. So, work tomorrow. That'll be fun. Fun, fun, fun. I don't know if it's getting busier or not. I really would not venture to know what's going to happen tomorrow. Because most people would have to work on Monday anyway. So I don't think we're into all that yet. Please, just not quite ready for it all. And I don't know, somebody told me when exactly all the spring breaks are, but, you know, it went in and out of my brain. Oh, and before I forget, I changed my thing. It doesn't move. It's lovely. Yeah, we will never buy that cheap stuff ever again. It'd be nice if you're just going to lay it down on a shelf, you know, and not mess with it. But, yeah, this was, oh, maybe $5-6 for a roll. I have no idea how many feet or inches or how big any of it is, but it seems to do the best on my table. It doesn't move every 10 seconds, so we are thrilled sick. Yay! Watched a little YouTube and a little Netflix yesterday. Basically had it on for noise. I just stitched and didn't pay too much attention, especially on the Netflix part. I just wanted something on that I knew what was going on. I didn't have to pay attention to the plot. Haven't found anything new to watch on Netflix lately. I just put it on to make noise and act like I'm paying attention, but not really, because I've seen them all 100 times. No grand plans for this next week. Can't remember when or what day St. Patrick's Day is, but I got the corned beef ready. All I gotta do is throw it in the crock pot and put all the stuff in with it and eat it when it's done. So, yeah, I make that real easily. It takes no time at all, and it's especially nice if St. Patrick's was on a day that I was working. You know, then all I gotta do is come home and eat it, because it'll be done. I just put it on and go. And I've been doing that for years. My kids were never fond of corned beef and cabbage at all. In fact, either was my ex-husband. He didn't like it. So I barely ever got to cook it. And, you know, in the house when I was married to him. And then the kids got their own lives. And, yeah, I'm back to make my own corned beef and cabbage. May go get some rolls or something to go with it, but usually not so much. I end up buying some what is it called? Russian rye is what I get, and I make Reubens. Get some, what is it? Swiss cheese and some Thousand Island dressing, and that's what I eat the rest of it with. I will put some of it in the freezer, and then I can just get it out and fix a Reuben later if I want it, or another time. I don't freeze the cabbage. That just never works out. That stuff turns to mush. So I don't get too much cabbage, you know, but I sure do love it. I love corned beef, absolutely. And I don't know if I have any horseradish mustard or not. Sometimes I get some, and because I use it on other things, but I don't. Sometimes I have it on like a ham sandwich. But that just doesn't come up too often. Oh, for pity's sake, really? You are silly, silly, silly. Oh my goodness. You're killing me, Smalls, you're killing me. Did you see what I did? I went to go start that just like, well, like I normally do my regular starts, but I forgot to go through the loop. And then when I decided to go through the loop, it was not in the right place to go through the loop. Oh my goodness. Some days. Some days, kids. Do you have that day? Anybody else? Or is it just me? Maybe it's just me. I was working on that silk dragon the other day and tried to do my regular start, and I'd put a knot in the end of the thread. So I had to undo that all. Oh yeah. Sad but true. But yeah, I thought this was a really pretty kit. I like all the things. And it seems like it would be easy enough to stitch on. I think it's only got back stitching. I don't think there's any half cross stitches in this. So, or French knots, I mean, to throw that in. It's usually the French knots and the back stitching that tend to slow me down. We are so going in the wrong direction here. So I hope it takes shape fairly fast and you can start to see the trees up there. I think sooner or later we're going to run into a building here. But I think there's a hot moment in between. Oh yeah, there's lots of tree-ish things right through here. So it'll be a moment before I ever get to those roofs, unless I do it deliberately. So not bad. I don't mind stitching on trees. At least it's consistent, you know, shades of green. I don't think there's... We got some light ones, we got some dark ones. So it shouldn't take too long. I just can't believe how clear this is. And as for the picture on the beginning of my video, I am sorry, but that is the best picture I could get. The one on the pattern, it seems to be kind of, I don't know, pixelated. I know it looks better on camera than it ever does up close. It would not photograph well, so sorry for that, but that's the best we got. What is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun. I always say that because, you know, I'd like to be reminded that I am doing something fun and it's something for me or something for somebody, you know, that I'm making something for. And that it's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a job. So, stitch away and enjoy the quiet time. This color is so dark. Sometimes I can't see where the hole is. It's not the canvas's fault, it's just that I'm stitching on a purple and it's a dark green. It's kind of like stitching with black, if you will. That's what it's reminding me of. Oh my. I didn't get any housekeeping done this weekend at all. No, I was not pushing and shoving my back. Nope, that ain't happening. I kind of was going to go through, like, one room at a time, you know, and I had plans. Plans did not work out. I was going to go through one room at a time, and if there was things that needed to be gotten rid of or donated, or, yeah, I was going to do that. Nope. And it hasn't been cold, you know, freezing cold or anything like that. I think it got, we're going to call it the high 40s yesterday. So today's supposed to be a little bit warmer even than that. So I don't think I don't want to have to go through a bunch of stuff, put stuff in bags, and then move it anywhere at all. No, I am not about the picking up. That can just wait. It'll just have to be another weekend. But I did have grandiose plans of doing that. Yeah. My mind was getting ahead of my body. That happens, you know, when you get older. Not saying that I'm ancient, but my problem is if I go through all that stuff and put it in bags, like I'm going to put it in my car so that I can go drop it off, you know, if I have to. I have no place to sit it, to leave it in the house. So it's got to be, okay, we're doing this today, and we're going to take it wherever it needs to go, you know? So, because there's just no room to put things, to wait until you can go do those things. So it has to be one fell swoop. So we'll wait for another moment. But it was a nice idea, though. So I got a lot of things that I need to go through, and it's not just the cross-stitch stuff at all. That is almost like under control, you know? But it's the rest of it. It's like, nope. I was so tired yesterday, I laid down, took a 3-hour nap. And I did sleep well on, what was that, Friday to Saturday morning? You know? So, or I mean, Saturday to Sunday morning. Hello, I don't know. You know what I mean. Holy cow. Because I thought it was really going to hurt when I laid down, but it felt really good to lay down, so that was a good thing. So, I don't know why I was so tired yesterday. Alright, guys. Let's see what we got here. See if they even start to look like trees. Let me get that anchored in there. And flip it around and bring it out. There we go. This it won't bend. There's my little teddy bear. Thank you, whoever sent him. Him, her. I guess it's a her. She's got a pink shirt on and a flower in her hair. The other one has, where is it? So maybe they're little. I don't know. They both got flowers in their hair, so I can't tell. All right, guys. Thank you for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.